So the problem is my tractor is not strong enough to pick up the chute high enough to get the scales under it.
So what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna figure it out. I just got to think about it and figure out how we're gonna do it.
All right, new plan. It wouldn't pick it up the first time, so I'm not sure what the new plan is, but we've got one. What's the new plan?
We're going to try to pick the back up first.
What is it?
We're going to try to pick the back up and then put the scale under it.
Okay.
Hard on your knees.
Kick that one down there. Mine were both in there good whenever I did it.
Okay, well, let's try to get it in the front.
One down, one to go. Gate holder. Too bad I don't have a camera forward facing at the same time, so you could have saw Cody's face when that happened. Oh, punches out of school.
But you tried to hit me.
Yeah, we heard he's a little aggressive lately.
Hang on.
What happened?
Those things just ain't.
You need to go get. You need some kind of drill or something?
Just the drills, like the freaking drill bits.
Drill bits are at the house. Clarence could go get it for you.
Go get the drill bits. You know where the drill's at on top of that doghouse? Make sure, look in that box of drill bits that's there and see if it's got a half-inch bit. If it doesn't, get one from the house. Hang on.
Get one from the shop, you
From
mean?
the shop, yeah.
You know what he means. Get on out of here. Wait, you better wait.
Good? You want in the house to get a small saw.
Tighten the bottom up. When it gets up to the bottom, touch it with your hand. You should be able to turn it.
Oh.
The next time, remember, you got put in a nut and a bolt. You need a bit on each side.
Well, that one's self-tight. Back enough.
I got the look that time, so I'm gonna stay away until they get that thing to fit. And I heard, oh gosh darn, get off there. Talking to the drill. Okay, stay tuned. crazy, Blue. You're always in the pin. I know. Nora says, I'm gonna get up there with you. Yo.
Yeah.
I'm funnier than your mom.
Made no sense. Who?
Cares.
Ass.
Y'all think y'all are funny, but you're not.
Funnier than your
Oh,
mom.
is it-
I'm funnier than your son. Oh.
Is that quite straight over there?
Yes, sir, I got it straight.
All my friends say. Okay, I'll stop singing to y'all. Sorry. All right, so we're hooking wires up now.
He's gonna hit you.
Well, we're gonna hook the, run the wires over here and see if we can hook the cells up.
Bub,
Is it charged already?
Bub, have you been cheating on Carnivore? Because Carnivore takes away hiccups.
Yeah.
You're not sharp enough to cut anything?
I don't know, probably not.
Don't give him a sharp one. Might cut his finger off.
I've had a reputation for that.
I know.
I've done that before. Oh no, I got it. Not with a very sharp one
You
though.
got it?
Yeah.
Alright. Because if we gotta open that gate, it needs to come through that gate. It'll go through here, it's just
Oh,
gonna
okay.
probably stretch the paint, hold that.
Can you open it up? Oh, that's what you're doing, huh? Cody, you're like a genius. So smart. He's smart.
Okay.
Don't go too far.
Get a couple of those nuts and put on here.
Gonna put these nuts on there.
Oh,
Where'd that go?
give Dad that thing.
Where'd it go?
Right behind him. Now they're fighting. Y'all are gonna get in trouble.
Punch me in the toe.
He punched you in the toe?
Yeah.
Who punches someone in the
big
toe?
Right in the big toe.
It's the worst kind of getting punched in the
It's his
toe.
weak spot.
Wait, we can wait Mom on it.
It'd break. I'm just kidding.
Gosh.
You're gonna die. You're gonna
No,
die.
I'm just kidding.
This is-
No, I'm just kidding.
Wait, did Punch his hand do that? Punch his hands weigh like 30 pounds right
Some
there.
fingers.
Golly, Sonny.
Don't
see?
put me some-
Hey, real tough.
They can't behave, honey.
It just goes
Punch's
like
fingers weigh 13 pounds.
these big old sausages. See these things right here? These things are beasts.
Okay, so we've got it hooked up.
Hold on. Let me get over here, like you said.
We got everything hooked up now. The load cells are under, tightened up, everything. When this blue light's on, that means it's Bluetooth connected to your phone. So I'm going to show you here. I've downloaded the Shearwell app. I open it up. I've got it set on pounds. You can set it on kilograms, whatever you want.
Kilograms?
Kilograms. All right, so one of y'all get on there. Let's see what plants. So once it quits moving, boom, 108 pounds.
What if we both get on there?
So it saved that one. So if we go back here to, where'd that go?
Fingers weigh more than me.
Let me look. That's a scale tag reader. We're not getting one. So get back on it. One of you.
Punch
And don't
out
get
of
off yet. 111 inner manual tag. We're going to call this punch.
Daddy!
Save. Okay, so
Mom,
we got him waiting. All right, step off, punch. So we let him out. Goes back to 0. We open the chute. Now put the next one on there and let's see if it.
Went up and
109
found-
inner manual tag.
gained it.
Clancy, save.
It's my turn, bub. Come hold my
You
deals.
got off too quick.
Oh.
Normally you would be scanning it with this reader, or you would be entering this. They're not going as fast as these doofuses are. So
Yeah.
okay, you can get off now.
Oh, we need to both get on.
Now then, look right here on history. when we hit history, we've got Clancy and Punch, their weights, the day we weighed them, and the exact time we weighed them.
Here, hold it right
All right.
here. So it's my turn.
Let's go back to weigh. All right, Erica, get on there.
Get on there, Mom.
You gotta get right here because you can see but Dad's phone. Okay, might have to cut this out. Hold on, let me take this out.
This ain't getting cut out.
Oh!
Cody,
171 closed. I got
That
you.
is not going on there.
your turn, Cody.
And then, all
Dad's
right.
turn. I'll do it for you.
But Cody, all you gotta do is hit save when it.
Well, get up there so I can see.
Save.
Got it?
323.
323, completely closed.
What is it? What is the scale at home say? Not for you.
314 naked.
Yeah,
So,
mine was 367 on Monday.
so now if we
Cheated
go,
us.
we go to history, bang, there's everybody in there.
Super cool.
You can export that to, so if you hit export, I think I can email it or airdrop it. Let's try airdropping it. You got your phone on?
You gotta turn the airdrop.
Here.
Somebody got
Here,
the
Dad.
airdrop
Here,
on?
Dad.
Punch's iPhone. Let's send
You
that.
have to turn. You have to unlock it, I think.
All right, accept it, and then let's see what it looks like on Punch's.
All right, everybody get on at the same time.
Hey, y'all stop talking for a second, okay?
It's gonna be Daniel.
Okay, guys, so first impressions. Installation, super easy. 8 bolts and it's set up. We did have to drill out a little bit of the holes just because, you know, where the factory holes are, just to make sure the bolts would go through. Hindsight 2020. On the last one, I noticed that if I just backed these 2 bolts right here off, it made it a whole lot easier to get that on there. So, really easy install. Getting this set up, super easy to download the app, and then it automatically, I mean, like as soon as you step on there, it's telling you. And once you quit moving for just a second, boom, that's how long it takes to weigh. And so, with that said, I love the app that it just went straight to my phone, and then we sent it to Punch's phone, neighbor kid's phone, and immediately he pulled up he could see it right there. So that's pretty awesome in my mind. You can email that to somebody, and like I said, it doesn't require internet service. It's Bluetooth, so if you're out anywhere, I think it's going to work. So if you've got scales like this, so first impressions, it's a plus. It's awesome. So we will see with time how it does. The man that brought it to me, the representative from Shearwell, said that this unit will run about 12 hours on one charge, and then it only takes about 2 hours to completely charge it from dead back to 100%. After 15 minutes of no use, it cuts itself off so it doesn't run the battery down. So
Is it waterproof?
I think it's somewhat waterproof. He said like basically under here it would be fine just to leave the unit out here. Obviously I'm not going to do that. I'm going to unscrew it and take it back to the house.
Your hand weighs 5 pounds, by the way.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Let me show them grip strength. But so far, I'm liking it. I think it's just what we were looking for. And they have a whole system of stuff that we're in talks about looking at and working with. I'm really excited about their EFID tags, or their RFID tags, their electronic identification tags, and some possibilities we have working with the sheep and the cattle at the same thing. Their programs are all set up for sheep and cattle. So I didn't show y'all this, but on this app, I guess I'm supposed to be closing this out, not doing all this, but on settings here, you can change it if you're wanting to do, you can set it on sheep versus cattle, and then I think the sheep, either it gives them a little bit more time to move around or a little less time. I'm not positive on that, but does great so far. So I think it's within a few pounds, which I think that's all you can ask for. I mean, it may be dead on, I guess, but I'm liking it. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoy this little time. Is this going to be a full YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Check them out. Erica will put their deal down here. Shearwell Data. See if you like any of their products. Of course, guys, I'm not going to say this is expensive. I think this is on par with what a good set of scales cost and a head unit, but you make that decision if it's something you feel like it's justified in your operation. I can't make that decision for you. For me, whether or not this one works, which I think it will, we're going to have a set of scales because it's something that I value in our operation, knowing if our cattle are doing what we want them to do, and the sheep when we eventually get to the sheep side of it. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Drop us a comment. Most of all, keep ranching.